Mastery through missteps. Perfecting verb usage in collocations. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing into an exciting area of the English language. We're focusing on a topic that can instantly boost your English fluency if mastered correctly. It's all about collocations, specifically verb usage in collocations. This is a common area where even advanced learners can sometimes slip up. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create sentences with the correct verb usage in collocations confidently. Let's begin with a quick recap of collocations. Collocations are words that frequently go together in the English language. They're natural word combinations a native speaker would use. Examples include brush your teeth or take a shower. But today, our focus is on collocations that involve verbs. Verb collocations can be a little tricky, but they're absolutely vital to sounding natural and fluent in English. Before we dive into crafting correct sentences, let's discuss some common areas where English learners might misuse verbs in collocations. For instance, some learners might say, do a decision, instead of make a decision. Another example could be saying, take a look, instead of have a look. While these might seem minor, they can significantly impact how natural your English sounds. Now that we understand common misuses, let's practice with some exercises. Remember, learning is all about practice and repetition. 1. Replace the incorrect verb in the sentence. I need to do a choice between two job offers. 2. Complete the sentence with a correct collocation. Can you a moment to help me? 3. Correct the misuse in this sentence. I will give a try to this new recipe. As you practice, you will start recognizing these collocations naturally. Feel free to pause the video here to think about your answers. Let's go through the answers. 1. The correct sentence is, I need to make a choice between two job offers. 2. The correct collocation is, can you spare a moment to help me? 3. The corrected sentence is, I will give this new recipe a try. Explanation. In the first sentence, the correct collocation is, make a choice, not, do a choice. For the second one, we usually, spare a moment, in English. Lastly, the third sentence should use the collocation, give something a try. And that's it for today. Remember, mastering verb usage in collocations is a crucial step towards sounding more natural and fluent in English. It might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference. Keep practicing these exercises and pay attention to collocations when you read or listen to English. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.